Hello, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Once again, I welcome back everyone to our GSC class. So, children, we are learning our chapter 5, that is adaptation in plants. So, last class we have learned what is adaptation in plants, what is their habitat, and some plants growing on mountain region and their adaptations. So, children, plants have also some special features that allow them to live in a particular habitat. As I have already told you, these special features are called adaptations. And the natural place where they are growing and living is known as their habitat. Based on their habitat, plants are classified into two groups. One is terrestrial plants, another one is our aquatic plants. So children, terrestrial plants is again divided into five types. These are plants growing on mountains, plants growing in plains, plants growing in deserts, plants growing in marshy areas, and plants growing in the coastal region. Last class, I have taught you the adaptation of plants growing on mountains or on hilly regions. There we have seen that generally cold and some areas might receive snowfall in hilly regions. Trees grow in this region are cone shaped, tall and straight. I have told you that. Cone means, are you understanding children? Cone, ice cream cone you are also eating, isn't it? Cone means it is broader one side, another side is coming to a point. These plants do not bear flowers, instead, they are bearing cones where seeds are there. Their leaves are like needles to snow slide down easily, and leaves coated with wax layer so that it is not damaged by snow. What are the examples, children? Pine, fir, deodar, these everything we have learned. Here again I am showing you the plants on mountain and their adaptations. Okay, these plants are growing in cold weather. Their cone seed you can see. The leaves are like needles and leaves are coated with wax. Okay, these all are the characteristics or the adaptation of our mountain plants. Then today we will learn about the plants in plains. Plains are the huge areas of flat land. Generally, plains are neither very cold nor very hot. They support the growth of a variety of trees, herbs, and shrubs. Some examples of trees growing in plains are peepal, mango, banyan, gulmohar, cotton, and sesame. These plants have several branches. These can survive in hot climate also. They provide shade their leaves in autumn season. So children, some parts of the plains receive heavy rainfall while others receive less rainfall. Here you can see one plant is given here which is growing in plains. They are having huge area of flat land. The several branches are there. Okay, they can sustain at hot and cold weather also. Neither very cold nor very hot. So children, now we will discuss the plants in areas with low rainfall. Mango, this is our mango tree, this is our Asoka, and this is our Gulmahar. These trees, you can see mango tree, Osaka tree, and Gulmahar are some trees that grow in areas with low rainfall. Their adaptations are as follows. These trees have many branches that spread around. You can see. Most of the trees shed all their leaves during the dry season and hence they are called deciduous trees. Children, now we will see plants in areas with heavy rainfall. This is our rubber tree and this is our teak trees. Rubber and teak are the examples of trees growing in areas with heavy rainfall. These adaptations are as follows. They have many leaves that are flat and thin. They do not shed all their leaves during the dry season. They remain green throughout the year. Therefore, they are called evergreen trees. So, children, what we have seen, the plants in areas with low rainfall are called deciduous trees, and the plants in areas with heavy rainfall are called evergreen trees, as they remain green throughout the year. So, children, I hope you all of you have understood about the adaptation of plants growing in plain region. Next class, we will learn the plants growing in deserts and marshy areas. Thank you, students.